My name is Kim Allen, and I'm coming to you from North Carolina State University, where I am the PI on the Health Rocks grant. Now, I know some of you are already out in the community doing amazing work with Health Rocks, and I'm excited to be able to be working with you this year as you move forward with that great programming. For those of you that are not doing Health Rocks programming, I just wanted to take a few minutes today and tell you a little bit about the Health Rocks program and let you know that if you are interested, be free to give me a call and we can talk about how to get this program going in your community. Now, this is the Health Rocks curriculum right here. And for those of you who have seen it, you'll know that it's a very hands-on, experiential, activity-based program where the steps are written out for you as clear as day. Step 5, step 6, step 7. So it's a fairly easy program to implement. The curriculum consists of 35 lessons that really are designed to help youth build the life skills they need to make good, healthy choices. The focus of this curriculum happens to be on tobacco use and smoking and alcohol prevention, but many of the skills that are taught in this curriculum transform into all kinds of decision-making skills for risk behaviors. And we've had great success in North Carolina and hope to have even more success this year. Um, what we're hoping to do is to reach 7,000 youth throughout North Carolina by creating 100 teams. Now, a team is a group of adults or an adult-youth partnership that trains 75 or more youth ages 9 to 15 in the Health Rocks curriculum. Now, if you're a team, you can if you're a county, you can have more than one team. For example, if you're reaching 300 youth in a K-12 partnering school, you would qualify as having 4 teams. And for each team that you reach, we're able to provide a $250 mini grant that will help you provide the supplies or create program support or staff support in order to implement this program. So if you are working with a K-12 or a YMCA or Parks and Rec, and you can reach more than 75 youth, by all means, please do so. And the more youth you reach, the more funding we can give to help support that program. The youth need to receive 10 hours of instruction. Now, the curriculum has 35 lessons, but we're going to pull out 10 of those lessons, and you have the flexibility to choose 10 lessons that fit best for your community. So as they complete the 10 hours of instruction, the students will need to complete an evaluation, and then we can consider them served in the Health Rocks program. If a youth completes the program, they receive a cinch bag, which looks like this right here. This is one of the incentives that we are providing this year. Or they can receive a Health Rocks water bottle. And those trainers that are involved in this program will receive a t-shirt like this one right here. Can you see the little Health Rocks? Or one like the one that I'm wearing. So we're hoping to be able to provide some training dollars, supply dollars. The training will be free, and then incentives for the youth as well. Now, in order to be able to implement this program in your community, the adults that will be working with the youth will need to attend 10 hours of training. And what we're hoping to be able to do is for the train the trainer model, we will do a half day to a full day of training. We're going to go across the state of North Carolina so that we can reduce the costs for agents as much as possible. And the training, of course, will be free, and you can come and receive anywhere from 4 to 7 hours of face-to-face training, and then we'll follow up with some Illuminate training. We might begin with and complete with some Illuminate trainings. So it'll be a hybrid of face-to-face and online training. We also have the Try It youth model. So if you have some older youth in your community that you think would be great teachers of this curriculum, they can come with you and be trained as well. And then we can have adult youth partnership training teams out in the communities as well. Now those will have an overnight option so the youth can stay and have plenty of time to practice the implementation and really feel prepared to go out and implement it in their community. Again, there's no cost for the training, and we'll try to supply as many of the startup funding and needs as possible to be able to get you up and going in your community. Uh, I imagine I've answered only a few tiny of your questions, and if you have more questions, you can email me at kimberlyallen@ncsu.edu, or you can call me at 919-515-9139. And if you haven't done this program before, I would encourage you to consider it. It's really a wonderful, fundamental life skills training that will give the youth in your community the ability to be able to make good, positive choices throughout their lives. And if you're already implementing, please let me know how I can help and what we can do to partner again to get you all the resources you need to do this program in your community. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to talking to you soon.